on creating the cam here from the drawing that was given to us. And so the first thing that I'm going to do is go ahead and click to create a sketch on the front plane. I'm going to first add a point, and I'm going to dimension that point 1 1/4 away from the origin. And so you can see from our drawing here, we've just created this point on our sketch. From there, I'm going to go ahead and start creating the shape of the cam with the circle tool. And so we have a radius of 1 1/4 for the large radius at the bottom. And so to do that, I'll go ahead and get my circle tool. I'm going to click on that point, and I'm going to input a dimension for that of, if you look, it's 1 1/4 radius, and so that would be 2.5 diameter. So I'll go ahead and type in 2.5 for my diameter there. The next thing that I'm going to do is create the small radius circle at the top. We'll have to do the same thing, and so we'll look at our drawing again. It's a radius of 1/4, and so that would be a diameter of 1/2. And so I'll go ahead and put that in. With that finished, I can go ahead and lines out here to create the outside edges of our cam. And so once I have those lines drawn, I'll just use the tangent tool to make those lines tangent to both the small radius circle and the large radius circle. Then once I have this shape defined, I'll go ahead and get my trim tool, and I can start trimming all of the excess lines that aren't needed. When I get into the middle here, I'll go ahead and start trimming these lines out. All right, and so once I have all those lines trimmed, I'm going to go ahead and create the circle for the hole that goes through the middle of our sketch. And so to do that, again, I'll use the circle tool, and it looked like it had a diameter of 1/4. Yeah, a diameter of 1/4 inch, so I'll go ahead and create that and put in 0.25 for my diameter. And I can go ahead and click the green check mark. I can select Extrude, and I can select my sketch that I want to extrude, and we are going to give it a thickness of 1/4 inch. A rundown of how to create the Pear Cam inside of Onshape.